This is 3 homes in 1. We're located in Black Mountain and there is a lot to see here, so let's check it out. The kitchen features quartz countertops and Fisher and Paykel appliances. And there's a chef's kitchen, which has another stove and a fridge. Coming in from the main entrance, there is a bedroom, which could also be an office, as well as a full bathroom. This suite is ground level access with 1 bedroom, a full bathroom, and it could be utilized for teenagers, in-laws, or for an Airbnb. Upstairs, we have a great family room with lots of potential. And we have the primary bedroom on one side with a nice luxurious ensuite and walk-in closet. And on the other side, we have 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom. Here is the 3rd home within the home. It's a 2-bedroom legal suite, and it even has quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and nice high ceilings. We're right across the street from some lovely green space. Down the hill is Black Mountain Elementary School. We're close to the golf course, close to the ski resort, close to shopping, everything you could want here in Black Mountain. Give me a call for your personal tour. I'm Stephanie Gilchrist at Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty.